Exercise 3.2. The formula involved in this exercise are: the first one is the sum of exterior angles in the polygon is 360 degree. Second formula is exterior angle is equal to 180 degree minus theta. So this represents theta. Theta means it is angle. Okay. Next, third one is sum of the angles of a polygon is n minus 2 into 102 into 180 degree. The fourth formula is each interior angle is equal to sum of the interior angles divided by number of sides given. The next one, fifth one, is number of sides is equal to sum of exterior angles divided by interior angle. Usually sum of the exterior angle will be 360 degree, so that should be replaced over here. Exercise 3.2, the first sum, subdivision A. Now we have to find out the angle X. This is the given diagram. It is a triangle and it is given, this is the exterior angle 125 degree, and here the exterior angle is 125 degree, and the interior angle is N and the interior angle is M. M, N, these two we consider, okay? And we have to find out this exterior angle X degree. Okay? Now already we know in a straight angle sum of the exterior angle and the interior angle, sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. That is the basic concept. So accordingly 125 degree plus n degree is equal to 180 degree. So n degree is equal to 180 degree minus 125, where we will be getting n degree is equal to 55 degree. So this interior angle n is equal to 55 degree. Now let us consider m and 125. So 125 degree plus m degree is equal to 180. So m degree is equal to, it's like the previous one. So 180 minus 125, which gives m is equal to 55 degree. So we have found both m and n. These are the two interior angles. Now we have to find out this exterior angle X. For this, the formula is exterior angle of X is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles, which means this is the exterior angle. For this exterior angle X, the opposite interior angles are M and N. So we have to add these two. So m degree plus n degree, which gives 110 degree. For the first sum, B subdivision, this is the given diagram. It is a regular polygon with number of sides: side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4 and side 5. There are 5 sides, okay? So it's a 5-sided polygon. Polygon means which has a many sides, okay? So here the sides are 5. Now this is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 and angle 5. There are 5 interior angles. And look at the exterior angle. Here the first one is 90 degree, second one is 60 degree, third exterior angle is 90 degree, and fourth exterior angle is 70 degree, and the fifth exterior angle X degree. This is the one we have to find out. Okay. Now before that we have to find out sum of the interior angles in a regular polygon. For this we have already know the formula. Sum of the angles of a regular polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degree. So here number of sides already I told you, it is 5. So 5 minus 2 into 180 degree, which is 3 into 180 degree. So 3 into 180 degree will be 540 degree. So 540 degree is the total interior angle of this polygon. Okay. Now let us come over here. Let us consider the first one. So angle 1 plus 90 degree, because it is a straight line. So straight line degree வந்து 180 degree. So angle 1 plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree, which gives angle 1 is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. In a side change பண்றப்ப plus 90 வந்து minus 90 மாறும். So angle 1 is equal to 90 degree. Up to the 90 degree conversion. Now let us consider angle 2, that is angle 2 plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle 2 is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree, that is angle 2 is equal to 120 degree. Now let's move on to the third angle. So angle 3 plus 90 degree is equal to 180 because it's a straight line. So this is angle 3 plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle 3 is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree, which is equal to 90 degree. Now let us move on to the fourth angle. Angle 4 plus 70 degree, because this is the straight line. So this is the straight line. So sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. Look at here. Angle 4 plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle 4 is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. So angle 4 is equal to, when we subtract, we will be getting 110 degree. So all the four angles we found. Now the last one, that is fifth interior angle, is angle 5 plus x degree is equal to 180 degree. Because this is a straight line, sum of these two angles we have to find out. So here angle 5 also we don't know, and angle x only we have to find out. So these two are unknown values, which is equal to 180 degree. So make it as equation number 1. Now already we know sum of the interior angles is equal to 540. This we found it over here already. That is sum of the interior angles, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 and angle 5. So sum of the interior angles will be 540, already we found. So that has to be replaced over here. So sum of the angles 540 degree, that is angle 1 is 90, angle 2 is 120, angle 3 is 90, angle 4 is 110, angle 5 this is unknown. So sum of all these four angles are 410 plus angle 5 is equal to 540 degree. So angle 5 is equal to 540 degree minus 410, which gives angle 5 is equal to 130 degree. Now this 130 has to be replaced in equation number 1. So when we replace angle 5 as 130 degree plus x degree is equal to 180. So x degree is equal to 180 minus 130 degree, which gives x degree is equal to 50 degree. For doing the second and third sums, I have made a table like this. First we have to write the question number, then the number of sides given. Here it is the exterior angle, and here sum of the angles of a polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. And the next formula is each interior angle is equal to sum of the interior angles divided by number of sides. Then the next column we have to write each exterior angle is equal to 180 degree minus theta. And the last column is number of sides is equal to exterior angle divided by interior angle. This exterior angle already we know it is 360 degree. Okay. Now let us move on to the second Roman letter, the first subdivision, that is A. It is given that 9 sides. So we have to find sum of the angles of a polygon, and each interior angle we have to find out, then each exterior angle, and then only these three things we have to find out. Number of sides is not asked. Now to find the sum of the angles of a polygon, it is given 9 sides, which means n is equal to 9. You have to replace. The formula is n minus 2 into 180 degree. Instead of n, you have to replace 9. So 9 minus 2 into 180 degree, this is 9 minus 2 will be 7. So 7 into 180 degree will be 1260 degree. Okay. So this is the sum of the angles of a polygon with side 9. And then interior angle. Formula is sum of interior angles divided by number of sides. So sum of interior angles we have found 1260 divided by 9. So when we cancel, we will be getting 140. Now we have to find each exterior angle, that is 180 degree minus theta. So 180 degree minus theta means angle, which means already we found the each interior angle is 140 degree. So this 140 has to be replaced, that is 40 degree. Okay, that's all. that is 40 degree. Okay, that's all. Now in the same way, second sum B, it is given that 15 sides. Now we have to find out sum of the angles of a polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degree. So instead of n we have to replace 15. So 15 minus 2 into 180. So 15 minus 2 will be 13 into 180 degree, which gives 2340 degree. Now we have to find out each interior angle, which means this 2340 divided by 15, because the number of, when we cancel we will be getting 156 degree. This is each interior angle. Now we have to find out each exterior angle, which means 180 degree minus theta. So theta means the degree which we found, which means 180 degree minus 156, which gives 24 degree. And now let us move on to the third sum. It is given the exterior angle as 24 degree. We have to find out 24 degree. We have to find out the number of sides. So number of sides formula is exterior angle divided by interior angle. Exterior angle is 360 degree, already we have seen. So 360 degree divided by the given exterior angle is 24 degree. So we have to cancel these two. We will be getting 15 sides. And for the fourth sum, it is given the interior angle is given. Interior angle is 165 degree. Now find out exterior angle. Exterior angle formula is 180 degree minus 165 degree. So this is 15 degree. Now by using this, we have to find out the number of sides is equal to number of sides exterior angle divided by interior angle. So exterior angle already we know it is 360 degree divided by this interior angle is 15 degree. When we cancel these two, we will be getting 24 sides. Fifth question, subdivision A. Is it possible to have a regular polygon width of each exterior angle as 22 degree? The answer for this is no, since 22 is not a divisor of 360 degree, because sum of the angles is 360 degree. அப்போ அந்த 360 டிகிரியில் வந்து கிவன் ஆங்கிள் வந்து டிவைட் பண்ணி பார்க்கணும். அப்படி டிவைட் பண்ண முடிஞ்சு அப்படின்னாக்கா இட் இஸ் கன்சிடர் ஆஸ் அன் எக்ஸ்டீரியர் ஆங்கிள். அப்படி டிவைட் பண்ண முடியல அப்படின்னாக்கா இட் இஸ் நாட் எக்ஸ்டீரியர் ஆங்கிள். அதான் சொல்லியிருப்பாங்க, சின்ஸ் 22 இட்ஸ் நாட் டிவைசர் ஆஃப் 360 டிகிரி, அப்போ இட் இஸ் நாட் கன்சிடர் ஆஸ் அ எக்ஸ்டீரியர் ஆங்கிள். Look at subdivision B. Can it be an interior angle of regular polygon Y? அப்போ எக்ஸ்டீரியர் ஆங்கிள் இருக்க முடியலனாக்கா அந்த 22 டிகிரி வந்து இன்டீரியர் ஆங்கிள் இருக்க முடியுமான்னு கேட்குறாங்க. இதுக்கும் ஆன்சர் வந்து நோ. The reason is the exterior angle ஃபார்முலா நமக்கு தெரியும், 180 டிகிரி மைனஸ் தீட்டா. அப்போ 180 டிகிரி மைனஸ் 22 டிகிரி வந்து 158 டிகிரி. 158 டிகிரி. அப்போ சம் ஆஃப் தி ஆங்கிள் தெரியும் நமக்கு 360 டிகிரி. இந்த 360 டிகிரியில் 158 டிவைட் பண்ணி பார்ப்போம். டிவைட் பண்ண முடியாது. அப்போ டிவைட் பண்ண முடியாதுன்றதுனால it is also it's not a exterior angle.